everyone, here we are at point number 13 on the Voices of Freedom Black History Walking Tour. This is the William and Susanna Steward home. This modest, small home would have represented freedom and safety back then. It must have been an amazing thing to own their own home for a black family here in the 1800s. This is also on the edge of what we now know as the Heritage District. Back then it would have been where the unoccupied lots were, and they were cheaper. This area all became part of what was called the Coloured Village. It was a vibrant community, and in around mid-1830s or so, there was about 400 in that community. Eventually, like the Stewards, people moved on. The Stewards lived in this wonderful little home for 13 years, and then they moved to Galt, Cambridge. But they would have moved on for, as others did, for other reasons, but in this case for other jobs, and for some for less menial work. Less menial jobs, and also for others because they didn't want to be so close to the river anymore. It felt a little unsafe. William Steward's name appeared on the petition to oppose the extradition of Solomon Mosby. 17 black names appeared on that petition from the community here. So this is a wonderful little house. Just following some hawks up there, looking down at Louis rather happily. See you at point number 14.